The discharge chute is attached to the side of your mower's cutting deck. It guides the grass clippings out of the mower's deck. The chute can be damaged by hitting against obstacles around the lawn. Replacing the discharge chute is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old discharge chute from the lawn mower. And now I can install the new discharge chute. I'll align it with the bolts, install the washers, and secure it with the lock nuts. And that's all it takes to install a new discharge chute on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.